CATIA V5 Human Builder, how to quickly copy a mannequin and adjust the size. So over here I added a mannequin, 1.9 meters. If you're gonna see within this existing cabin, the mannequin head will be positioned over here. So I decided to make this video because I received the following comment. So over here on GrabCAD, I also posted the video over here on GrabCAD, and as we can see, I receive a comment, and within the comment, one of the users asked me to do the simulation for 1.9 meters mannequin. So I see that GrabCAD is currently loading quite slow. So let's see how we can copy that. We can just select it. Within the product, we will go for copy. And within the product, I will paste this. So we're gonna see that the second mannequin will have the same name, but will be .1. With that selected, we are gonna go within the human measurement editor. And over here, we're gonna have the dimension. So for the stature, within the variable list, I will add the value to 0. So this will be the lowest value. We're gonna see that the inferior range will be this one. So 1.586 meters. And we can also change this. So this will be within standing position. If I will just close and I will exit this workbench, we're gonna see that some of the values are different from the posture. So do you still want to proceed? I will click yes. And now we're gonna see that the second mannequin, if I will change the name for this, so 1.5. If I will hide the original mannequin, we're gonna have the second one. And just like within my previous video, if you will try to do a reach with this one, you're gonna see that for this tractor, this mannequin will have quite a hard time reaching the pedals. For example, we see that over here, this is already ghosting. We can also try to adjust the position on the seat. So I will select that and I will move this a little bit in front of the seat. So something like this. We should also adjust the leg over here. So afterwards only from that section. And now I can incline that. Okay, so for that pedal, everything should be fine. But for example, if I will try to move the mannequin with this position, we're gonna see that we have the reach over here. And I will click on reach with position orientation. And I want the second feet to be positioned over here. And afterwards, I will select the bottom of the right feet. And we're gonna see that it will reach that position. We're gonna have over here an overlap with the chair, but that can be again further adjusted. So yeah, this is how you can easily change the mannequin. If I will just hide this one, so the smallest percentile over here, 1.4. If I will again show the 1.9 mannequin, we're gonna see that for this one we can rapidly do that. And if you want to, you can further change this. So I will paste this again. But again, when you are pasting, you need to paste it within the product. This is why I received that error. And if I will have that hidden, and I will go within human builder for this one, we're gonna see that we can change this. For example, I want this to be a woman, and for the stature, let's make this the smallest one, which will be 1.4 meters. So for the inferior range regarding the size, and yeah, we're gonna have that position over here. We can again rename this 1.5 thing. And again, we can further position that. So it is highly recommended to do the simulation using various mannequin size. So you will see if the final position of all the elements are in check and can be used by a wide variety of people. So I hope that you find this video useful. So over here, this was the original command, as we can see. And I also said that I will make a follow-up video, which is this one, for a 1.9 meter mannequin. Okay, before I will do the outro, I also want to say that this video has quite a lot of likes. As you can see, 8 likes. It has been quite a while since one of my videos received so many likes. Therefore, if you enjoy this content, please consider to give it a thumbs up, and also consider to add a comment, either directly over here on YouTube, or you can do that on GrabCAD, and I will address those within a following video. Okay, so I will position a similar video over here on the left side. I will add the CATIA V5 tips and tricks to the top, and I will also add a subscribe button over here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.